Hey everyone, welcome back to Eureka Review. If you've ever wanted to build your own mobile app but thought coding was too difficult or hiring developers was too expensive, then today's review might surprise you. We're taking a look at SnapApps AI, an AI-powered app builder that claims to create professional mobile apps in just minutes, without coding, design skills, or technical experience. But does it really deliver on those promises? Let's find out. Building a mobile app has traditionally been a long and expensive process. You either hire developers, which can cost thousands of dollars, or spend months learning coding yourself. Even many no-code platforms require complicated setup, ongoing subscriptions, and a steep learning curve. For many entrepreneurs, small business owners, and marketers, that makes creating an app feel completely out of reach. As a result, many great business ideas never become real mobile applications. SnapApps AI takes a completely different approach. Instead of building an app from scratch, you simply tell the AI what type of app you want to create. It then generates the layout, pages, navigation, branding, and content for you. Whether you're creating an app for a restaurant, fitness business, local service, online course, real estate agency, or any other business, the AI handles much of the heavy lifting, making app creation faster and much more accessible. The process is surprisingly simple. First, choose the type of app you want to create. Next, enter your business information, branding, and any content you'd like to include. The AI then generates a professional-looking mobile app complete with menus, pages, and layouts. From there, you can customize colors, images, features, and branding to match your business. Finally, publish your app and make it available for your customers or clients. The entire workflow is designed to eliminate the technical barriers that usually come with app development. Simply choose your niche, personalize the content and branding, and you'll have a modern mobile app that looks polished across all devices, without writing a single line of code. Traditional app development usually involves hiring developers, learning programming languages, managing software updates, fixing bugs, and spending weeks, or even months, building a finished product. SnapApps AI simplifies that entire process. Instead of coding every screen manually, the platform uses AI to generate much of the app automatically. You simply customize it to fit your brand and publish when you're ready. That means less time learning technology and more time focusing on growing your business. SnapApps AI also helps you reach a global audience. With support for over 80 languages and automatic translation, you can create multilingual apps that connect with customers around the world. SnapApps AI takes care of the technical side for you. Your apps are fully cloud-hosted with no servers, no setup, automatic backups, enterprise-grade security, and instant publishing. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Imagine owning a restaurant and wanting a mobile ordering app. Instead of hiring a development company, you could create one yourself much faster. If you're a fitness coach, you could build an app for workout plans, memberships, and client engagement. If you run a digital agency, SnapApps AI can help you produce apps for multiple clients more efficiently, opening the door to additional revenue opportunities. Rather than spending weeks building each project, AI helps streamline much of the process so you can focus on serving more customers. The platform is flexible enough to work across many industries. Restaurants can create ordering and reservation apps. Fitness professionals can build membership and coaching apps. Real estate agents can showcase property listings. Schools and educators can organize learning resources. Event organizers can publish schedules and event information. And agencies can create branded mobile apps for clients as an additional service. SnapApps AI is currently offered with a one-time payment during its launch period, making it an attractive option compared to many app builders that charge recurring monthly fees. As always, check the latest pricing before purchasing since launch offers can change over time. So, is SnapApps AI worth considering? If you're looking for a faster and more accessible way to create mobile apps without coding, it certainly offers an interesting solution. While it may not replace fully custom enterprise development, it can significantly simplify app creation for entrepreneurs, agencies, marketers, and small businesses. If its features match your goals, SnapApps AI could become a valuable tool for launching apps more efficiently and expanding your digital business. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Eureka Review, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of AI tools and digital products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.